Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to do voice isolation during calls and in normal. So if you want to do voice isolation on iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to scroll it down, and you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. Now what you have to do, you have to go back and you have to go to settings again, and you have to click on software update, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to swipe it down, and you have to simply click on system, and after that you will find many options like control system, but before you have to make sure that you have provided a calls, and here you can find system controls, and you can find voice isolation here. So there are three options available. The first one is four option available. The first one is automatic, the second one is standard, and third one is voice isolation. So here you can simply select that voice isolation, and after that your voice isolation will be done when you make a call and record a video on your iPhone iOS 18. So in this way you can do voice isolation while phone call or while recording a video on iPhone iOS 18 without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.